I here to remind my government to do everything to bring the hostage home, to go to Cairo and make a deal to bring them home and make war after that. Better make peace after that, but bring them home.
We call on the Prime Minister of Israel to do everything that he can to look at these hostages and think of them as if they were his own, and do everything in his power to bring them back. Negotiation happens when people sit one across the other. Negotiations does not happen via telepathy. They need to be together in order to bring them back home.